Good evening friends. Today we will see make to order scenario master data configuration in SAP system. Make to order scenario is used when company gets sales order first and started production after receipt of sales order according to requirement of customer. There are three type of make to order scenario in SAP system. First one is make to order without sales order controlling and valuated stock. Second one is make to order with sales order controlling and valuated stock. And third one is make to order with sales order controlling and non-valuated stock. We will see each strategy step by step in SAP system. Let's go to our system. First of all, we will define costing variant for sales order costing, transaction code for checking of costing variant for sales order costing is OKY9. Here costing variant PPC4 is used for sales order costing. Costing type we are using only legal valuation variant. First strategy is valuation price according to price control in material master. Second strategy standard price. Third moving average price. Fourth and fifth plan price. Activity price, plan price for the period. Subcontracting net quotation price. External processing price from operation, net quotation price. Overhead, here we have already assigned our costing sheet, SAP costing sheet. So from point of view, costing variant point of view, we have completed all tasks. Here date will remain blank because we are processing sales order costing, so date is not required. BOM routing is okay. Okay, from costing point of view everything is okay. Seems fine. Now we will create requirement class for our three strategy. Transaction code to create requirements classes is OVZG. New entry. Requirement class SC1. Make to order without sales order and valuated. Availability check, require, transfer, production allocation. Here assembly type 2 and 3 is used for automatic creation of products order based on sales order. So we will use assembly type 2. Order type we are using YQ10. Save it and enter. Here our requirement class 1 for strategy 1 is created. We will copy it to create make to order with sales order and Save it. Save it. Here we have created three requirement class SC1, 2, 3. Now next tab is check account assignment category. Transaction code is OME9. Here account assignment category ME is used for cell without cells or the controlling object, so that consumption posting here is blank. For requirement class M2 scenario with controlling with cells order controlling, your consumption posting will be E for sales order accounting. Here material will be only for specific purpose of sales order. Now we will go to SPRO, sales order controlling. Product cost controlling, cost object controlling, product cost by sales order. Check requirement class. Here we have created three requirement class. Click on first requirement class. Here we have to fill other data. Costing require, costing ID. Okay, we will in first case we will keep it blank. Costing method, product costing, costing variant, sales order costing PPC4, condition type, here condition type line item will be actual cost. PC01 is for actual costing. Here in first strategy, make to order without sales order controlling. So for that purpose, account assignment category will be individual customer without KD controlling, and valuation separate valuation with reference to sales document project. Save it. In the same way, we will maintain additional data in SC2 costing require costing ID. In this case, we will use automatic costing method, product costing, costing variant PPC4. Here PC01. In this case, I make to order with sales order and valuated stock. So for this purpose, account assignment will be E with controlling object, and separate valuation here we'll have to select settlement profile. We will use this YBMFP1. Here original analysis key, here we have to maintain result analysis key. PC01. We will create result analysis key after completion of few steps. Costing is required. Now we will use B, automatic costing and marking. Costing method, product costing, costing variant PPC4. PC01. Your account assignment category will be ill e, and valuation will be separate valuation with reference to sales document. And settlement profile, PP evaluated to COPA. Result analysis key, we will create it later after completion of few steps. Now we will check requirement type. Here we have to add new line item against each requirement class which we have created. SC1, SC2, SC2, SC3. Save it. Now we will maintain planning strategy. Check planning strategy. Here we will make copy from Mac to other, Mac to stock production, but it is different strategy, so we will use Mac to other for copy purpose. Copy. Yeah, strategy S1 MTO without SO and evaluated requirement type of customer. Here our requirement type will be SC1. Save it. Now we will copy from S1 to S2, S3. Mac to other with sales order controlling and evaluated stock. Save it. Now create strategy 3. requirement class 3, requirement type 3, SC3. Here we have created 3 planning strategy. Now we will create strategy group. Map to other without SO and value added top. Main strategy will be S1. Enter. Copy S2. Map to other with SO and value added top. Here main strategy will be S2. Enter. Strategy group S3 for non-valuated stock. Here we have created 3 different strategy. Now we will create result analysis. Period and closing. Result analysis. Create result analysis tree. Here only 2 keys are available which are used for WIP actual cost. We will make copy from this and MTO Define cost element for result analysis. We will check which cost element are available. Okay, next, when define result analysis version. Here this SAP one is coming, but I think this was used for WIP calculation, so we will use this version. Define valuation method for result analysis. Here we will create new valuation method for our company group. SAC here revenue based method with profit realization will be result analysis method. Result analysis with status release by default coming. Cancel inventory reserve with status. Here we will use FNBL, final billing, because we are using Mac to order scenario, and after billing will be made first, so we will use this FNBL. And here sales order cost estimate will be tick, and valuation at line ID level. We have configured component wise cost breakup: material cost, labor cost, activity cost, overhead cost. So in this component wise sales order costing will be posted. Now click on export mode. Function only available after saving. Okay, save it. Now click on export mode. Export mode is only recommended for experienced user. Okay, export mode is only intended for experienced user. Are you sure you want to switch to export mode? Yes. Okay, click on first entry. Okay, in case of release, final array will be blank, and in case of final billing, X is automatically coming, so it should be final result analysis. Define line IDs. Here we have defined line ID for WIP. Same way we will use in result analysis for Mac to order scenario. Define assignment for result analysis. Here we have defined component wise all cost component structure, which we have used in cost component structure. Here we have to add two more cost component, so we will copy it. Define update for result analysis. We will select our company. Here we have used WIP 93113000 for secondary cost. Okay, so element will remain same. Here we have to select one more element for COS and revenue. So we will find it out. For COS and revenue. If cost element, we will create new cost element. Go to FS00. Nine three double one. Here result analysis revenue. This GL account is available. We will use it. Cost element is also used for line ID LBR. Okay, we will create new cost element. With a template from 93115001. Revenue OH. Save it. Okay, cost element is okay. Result analysis. Okay, we have to create result analysis COS and revenue for material also. Okay, for labor, copy this. For material, copy this. For OH, save it. Now define posting rule for settlement. Before doing this, we'll have to check result analysis version. Okay, this tick mark is okay. Transfer to financial accounting. Define posting rule for settlement to financial accounting. Hello. Hello. Here we have to define GL account for posting of result analysis. Here we have already defined result analysis category RUCR. In the same way, we will assign other two categories for posting rules. Copy. Company code is okay. Here we have to remove tick mark from result analysis version first. Thereafter we will be able to make any changes here. Go to define result analysis version. For making any changes to posting result, we have to first remove this tick mark. Define posting rule. Here cost element 24098 is not showing in chart of account. However, it is a balance sheet account, and we will create it. if it is available in another company, we will check it. Okay, order reserve, control data, INR, general tax. Save it. In the same way, we will check this account also. Has already been created. Okay, no problem. Copy. RUCP. Reserve for cost of component company. RCCR will also come for result analysis category. RUCO. Now RUCO save it. Now go to define result analysis version. Here we have to again click on finance transfer to financial posting, otherwise entry will not be posted in financial accounting. Save it. Next part we will see in next video. Thank you.